Caring for your hair can be as simple as using hair masks. It helps to strengthen your hair and maintain the pH level of your scalp. And using natural, easy-to-find ingredients can easily be used for our hair care, which is more harmless and safer for your hair. So we came up with 5 best DIY hair masks that will provide you strong and smooth hair. Let's get started.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
DIY Hydrating Hair Mask. If you use regular heat tools on hair, that makes your hair dull and dry, especially the end. This hydrating mask is the perfect choice for you. Let's go through the required ingredients. To prepare this easy hydrating mask, you will need 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 4 drops of lavender essential oil. Procedure and application. To prepare this easy hair mask, just mix all the ingredients together. Just apply to hair from top to bottom and cover with a shower cap. Let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes and rinse off with your favorite shampoo. Let's check out the benefits of the ingredients. The coconut oil helps to keep your hair moist and soft and prevents hair breakage because of its high moisture retaining capabilities. The olive oil is high in antioxidant content that helps to maintain scalp and hair health. It prevents the hair from cell damage, nourishes and conditions the hair at the same time. Honey works as a moisturizer to your hair. It helps to smooth the hair follicles and adds shine to dull hair. And the lemon essential oil helps to remove greasiness on your scalp and hair by soaking up excess oil from the hair follicles and strands. DIY hair mask for shine and softness. If you have dull hair and want that perfect shiny hair, this hair mask is great for you. Let's check out the required ingredients first. To prepare this hair mask, you will need 1 ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon of argan oil, 3 tablespoons of coconut milk, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Procedure and applications. Just blend all the ingredients to make a smooth paste, and it's ready to apply. Apply the mixture from root to tip and wrap your hair for 30 minutes. Rinse it off with your favorite shampoo and conditioner. Let's go through the benefits of the hair mask. The avocado helps to nourish and strengthen the hair roots while providing moisture for amazing shine. The argan oil helps to increase the elasticity and restores shine to dull, lifeless hair. The coconut milk helps to restore dry, damaged, brittle hair and split ends. And the honey works as a moisturizer. DIY hair mask for oily hair. If you have oily hair and experience buildup on scalp, this lemon mask will save you from bad hair days. Let's check out the required ingredients. This easy-to-make hair mask only needs egg white and 2 tablespoons of lemon. Procedure and application. To prepare this hair mask, whisk the egg for a minute or 2 and then just add the lemon. Apply the mixture from root to tip for 30 minutes and rinse it off with your favorite shampoo and conditioner. Let's go through the benefits of the ingredients. The egg white helps to cleanse the excess oil of your scalp, strengthens your hair and promotes hair growth. And the lemon helps to deeply cleanse the scalp and hair, restore healthy pH levels, and remove buildup. DIY hair mask for itchy, dry hair. Our next favorite hair mask is best for soothing itchiness and balance out the scalp pH level. Let's go through the required ingredients first. To prepare this hair mask, you will need 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Procedure and application. Mix all the ingredients together and it's ready to apply. Apply to hair from top to bottom. Let it sit for 30 minutes and rinse off with your favorite shampoo and conditioner. Benefits of the ingredients. The coconut oil and honey help to moisturize your dry, itchy scalp and penetrates your hair deeply. The apple cider vinegar helps to balance out the pH level of hair and scalp. Also, its antifungal and antibacterial properties help fight scalp infections, dryness, itchiness, and dandruff. DIY Hair Loss Control Mask. Our last favorite hair mask will help to control hair loss and promote hair growth. Let's go through the required ingredients first. To prepare this hair mask, you will need 2 bananas, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Procedure and application. To prepare this hair mask, mash the banana into smooth paste and mix all the ingredients. Apply the mixture from root to tip and wrap your hair for 30 minutes. Rinse it off with your favorite shampoo and conditioner. Benefits of the ingredients. The banana helps to improve manageability and shine of your hair. It also promotes hair growth and control dandruff. And the yogurt works as a deep conditioning and helps to hair follicle growth. So these are our 5 best DIY hair masks. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then hit the like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know about your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.